Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video on If You're Into Huck's World. Today we got a case for the Galaxy Note 10 to review. Now, if you like this case, they do have it for the Galaxy Note 10 as well. Now, the company that sent this over to me goes by the name of Pitaka. We want to thank them in the door for the opportunity to review this awesome case. All right, so with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get started with this review. Now, this is the Pitaka Magcase, right? It's a very nice case for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I thought it was nice. It's definitely a premium case as well. Now, it says that it's 100% genuine Armour. Now, from what I understand about this material, it's a very strong material. It's heat resistant and it's used also by the military as well, right? So that's very comforting to know. And also, it's 17 grams light. It's also 0.85 thickness. And it is wireless charging friendly. Now, this case has a couple of a couple of plates on the inside that allow you to use it for your magnet mount. So if you got a magnet mount, you'll be able to stick this case on that magnet mount with no problem. All right, but let's go ahead. Let's take this out the box, take a closer look at this case. I'm loving the presentation already of this case. I thought the company did a really good job with this one. Very nice. At the bottom it says scan the QR code to watch a video for installation and removal. Also it says enjoy your Pitaka product. Let's take this out. You got your, of course, instructions. It has a couple of QR codes in here that you might want to check out for more information about this case. Let's put this over here. Let's take a look at this case. Now, this is nice. First off, the video isn't going to do it justice. You got to see this in person. It's like a dark black fiber look, right? Now, the case feels really smooth, both on the outside, even smoother on the inside, which is very comforting from putting your Galaxy Note 10 in here. You don't have to worry about it getting scratched up or anything like that. Also, you got the company's branding as well. It reminds you that you can use this as a magnet mount. Now, this is also scratch resistant and non-slip resistant as well, right? So I like the fact that this is scratch resistant. I don't have to worry about putting this down or slamming it down on the table. It looks like you got a short, we're going to take a look at it, lip at the top and at the bottom as well. But all in all, this is definitely lightweight. If you're looking for something more durable, like an outer box, you're not going to get this out this case. This is definitely for a luxury light feel to your phone. So let's put this phone in here, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. You got your volume rocker and of course your power button is wide open. And it seems that it evens out with the metal rail that's going along the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. You got your port cutouts. They seem like they match up as well, top and bottom. Very lightweight feel. You don't feel no bulk at all with this case. Again, it feels smooth. It's not slippery smooth or anything like that. But it feels nice. Feels nice. I like it because it's lightweight. I don't like a lot of bulk on my phones at all. But I think the company did a really good job with the material of this one, especially considering that it's heat resistant as well. But it definitely looks stylish. It looks nice. And it also looks premium. I like the cutout for the camera. That stands out a lot with this oil glow shining through, blending in with this black background. But let's check this out, right? Because it says that it's charging friendly is what it is. Not bad. But I'm liking this look, people. I am liking this look. So what do you think? Is this a bad look? Now look at the lip. Very short. So I would be careful probably slamming this down on the table. But all in all, this is definitely my type of case. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.